Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make a three-point turn. This will be a very simple driving lesson, and I'll be outlining the steps for safely and smoothly making a three-point turn. Now let's get right to it. I'll be doing this from the perspective of myself driving on the right side of the road. But if you're watching this and where you live, you drive on the left side of the road, then you're just going to reverse the directions that I tell you. If I say right, you're going to go left. If I say left, you're going to go right. Now let's get right to it. I'm going to start off by driving, and then we will make a three-point turn further down the road. So let's go ahead. Let's begin driving. We're going to move forward. Now, when you get to the spot where you want to make the three-point turn at, you're going to put your right turn signal on, and you're going to pull over to the side of the road. So as you can see right here, my right turn signal is on. I'm pulling over to the side of the road, and you're going to come to a complete stop. I've come to a complete stop. When you're ready to make the three-point turn, you're going to put your left turn signal on to indicate that you will be moving left. Then you're going to do your safety check. So you're going to check your mirrors, your blind spots, turn your head all the way around and look out the rear windshield. And when it's safe to proceed with your left turn signal on, you're going to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, all the way to the left. Now you're going to release your brake. And obviously, if you're driving a manual car, you're going to use your clutch, but I'm driving an automatic. So I'm just releasing the brake, and I'm moving forward until I can't go any further, okay? Now, you're going to, remember, keep that steering wheel all the way to the left during that first part of the turn. Now, I'm going to put my right turn signal on. I've come to a complete stop, by the way. I'm going to turn my steering wheel all the way to the right, put the car in reverse, hold the steering wheel all the way to the right, and I'm now going to back up, holding the steering wheel all the way to the right, okay? And I'm going to stop once again once I get close to the edge. Now I'm going to put my left turn signal on, put the car in drive, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, hold it here, and proceed. And once again, I'm proceeding, and now that I'm back on the road, I can straighten out my steering wheel, and I'm good to go. And it's literally that simple. That is how to make a three-point turn easily. It's actually a very, very simple process, and I'm just going to pull over to finish this video. It's actually a very, very simple process, and I've outlined the steps in this video. It's really easy to do. Just remember, at each point of the turn, you must come to a complete stop when you're turning your wheel, and then proceed. It's very, very simple. Once again, let's say I wanted to make a three-point turn from here. I'm pulled over on the right side of the road. Just one more example. I'm going to put my left turn signal on, steering wheel all the way to the left, do my safety checks, and I see that a car is coming, so I'm going to wait until that car passes, and that's why it's important to do the safety checks. Okay, steering wheel is all the way to the left turn signal is on, proceed moving forward. Get close to the edge, come to a complete stop, put my right turn signal on, steering wheel all the way to the right, put it in reverse, move backwards. Doing my checks, constantly looking for stuff. Now, I'm close to the edge. Left turn signal on, steering wheel all the way to the left. Put it in drive and move forward. Complete the three-point turn. And it's literally that simple. That is how to do a three-point turn. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.